Hey friends, welcome back to Crypto Billionaire channel. In today's video, we will be saying about the recently added token Kabosu. Now, this is new token, so you must be careful before investing in this token. Let's see what is Kabosu. You can see Kabosu is a dog theme based token. They used to give all the money in donation for dog charities. You can check 5% is redistributed to holders and 5% is kept in liquidity. Again, this is one of the best token to invest because they are giving weekly donation. If we see the price, then current price is very low. You can see 24-hour price and low price. It is almost nearing to between low and high price. So again, this is the best time for buying this token. Now to buy this token, go to their website and just click on buy Kabosu. Now make sure address is same. Now first of all, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet with PancakeSwap. I have already done it. Now make sure you have some fund. Just enter the token in which you have fund and simply enter the amount for which you want to buy Kabosu. You can see for 10 USDT you will get this much Kabosu token, and just press on swap button. That's it guys, this is the recently added token. So again, this is one of the best coin to get some profit for a short term duration. Hey guys, if you like this video, then please share this video to maximum number of people and make sure you subscribe the channel. Bye bye.